Okay, hello. So, next part of the Starship came out the printer. Let's take a look at it. This is bottom part of the Starship, bottom tank. Well, where the bottom tank is, I think. Actually, it looks no bad. I like these accents here, these lines. It looks like a real Starship. Let's see what's the size of it. Should be the same as the other part. 44.7. And the high, I don't think that's gonna work. No, boys, about I think 164 or 163 millimeter. So I think let's remove it from the plate, 4 of them. And I wasn't sure how to set up these supports here, so that's why I printed out, because I did set some supports there, but as I said, I wasn't sure if it's gonna work right. So give me a second, I just gonna grab my knife and we'll see how easy. Okay, so I've got my knife and magic knife, and let's see if I can pull it out, the supports. If he's not gonna, oh, it came out, no bad at all. Looks pretty good. At least we know how the Starship looks like from top. Okay, let's do this one. Oh, nice one, no bad at all. There is little imperfections there, but I can, if I gonna have to, I just gonna bore it out, because I've got like a little boring tool, so I just gonna bore it out and it should be fine. Oh, there we are. So that's where the fin's supposed to go. Okay, let's remove that little plate that is not coming off right. Ooh, it's coming off, no bad. I think I've got another blade here somewhere. No, that is messed up as well. Let's try. Actually, I don't have to remove it, because this is just a trial anyway. But oh, came off, no bad at all. So yeah, so that piece is the last section of the top part, because This is the bottom part of the booster, Starship booster. Let's remove that. Okay, from the plates. So this is the bottom part of the Starship. And this part is the top section of the top part where the top tank is, I think. So the next section gonna be as big as this one, and so that is gonna be basically somewhere here where the fin's supposed to be going. And now I've just got printer set up already to print because there is gonna be another two little section going on here where the actually Raptors are. So let's remove that first and see how that looks like on the bottom. So I think there is some supports in there as well. Oh yeah, it's coming off. I don't know, maybe there is some sort of settings to make it coming off easier. I don't know. I'm not sure. Oh, and there is that sort of like a junction box for the parts to fit in next to each other. I mean into each other. Let's try to remove that. Oh, almost. Okay, and here is a little junction box. Oh, obviously I'm gonna clean it out a little bit better. Let's so yeah, there we are. This is the bottom section. That is strange. I don't know if that's how it's supposed to be. This one and this one there are smaller than this one and this one. I have to check out some photos on the web and see if that's supposed to be like that. But in general, I think it came out pretty well. Where is the focus? Come on. Oh. Oh. No bad at all. I'm gonna start live streaming of the printing that top part that gonna go on top of that, so you can check it out. but in general I think that's not bad at all. So yeah, that's all it is for now. That's the bottom section. That's about I can't go, like I said, about 160 millimeters. Oh, I can't go any further with the caliper, but I think altogether is 164 millimeters. There is gonna be another 164 on there, and then the Starship, and then another two section here, Raptor and Raptor covers. So yeah, that's how it's gonna looks like. That's what I've got for. So yeah, that's what I've got for now. As I said, that looks pretty good. The junction boxes looks good as well, so I think that should fit pretty well. So yes, well, maybe let's see what we've got so far. So we've got that is the top cone of the Starship. Obviously that we don't need that anyway. So we've got these two and these two. Then we've got that. You've seen this already in the other video. So basically the whole Starship gonna just sit on there. It's gonna be pretty big, but I hope it's gonna fit somewhere. Then we've got some fins. Yeah, you've seen this already in the another video. If not, you can just find it yourself. There we are. So that's what we've got so far, and I'm really looking forward to see how the next part is gonna come out. And that's it for now. Join along for the next episodes. Tune in for live stream, which already started, and have a great one.